basis exhibited at our auto hubs, no, in the region, all over the region. So we have the auto hub of Baguio here, and the cafeteria there. So Upper Session Road, that's every day. So your products can also be exhibited there, and we are launching it also as a learning site for creatives, so you can have venue there for your workshops and so forth. Now, the second floor of the CBCC will form as part of your creative venue. And for this November at the Impact Hubsat, we are launching not only because we have done it physical every year, but this time it will be online, so that our catalog, the products that we exhibit there will be in a catalog, and it will be exhibited on a platform where buyers can see and negotiate with the different producers. You are also welcome there to exhibit, make it as a gallery for your artworks also. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much. Unless if we have more announcements, we will now go to our Q&A. Our friends will be there. Okay na? Ayun, si Ma'am. Okay, yes. Si Ma'am Dunuan, yan. Ma'am Lizelle Dunuan, CBCC Sector Representative on Literary. Sige, Ma'am. Good morning to you po.
Good morning. I'd like to share more about the AFCC convention, which is the Asian Festival for Children's Content. There's an active invitation for everyone to come. It's not just for writers, illustrators, or anyone who's interested in book writing and publishing for children. It's also for reading advocates. So we are also inviting parents to come and also see how to better tell stories to their children and also advocate reading to their children. So we have, we actually have a press material for you. I've given it to Grace already, so she can distribute to everyone. The material also has the QR code for joining and registering in the conference. So it's November 21 to 23 here at the Baguio Convention Center. And apart from local authors and also local publishers and illustrators like Thor, Sagu, Christine, and Beleng, we will also be having speakers from Singapore and also other parts of Asia. And the theme for this second convention is curiosity, which falls within the theme of WO this year. So please watch out for the email with that press material so you can learn more about it. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Ma'am Dunuan. Ma'am Venus, I think you still have regarding sa ikat yata. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so marami na kayong materials today. I think a lot of us have given you a lot of information already on the highlight activities for Ibagil. And so to cap the festivities, I want to present now the World ICAT Textile Symposium. I'm very happy that Art has already worn ICAT. Those of you who know ICAT, do you know what ICAT is? ICAT is a very traditional way of weaving. It is not only present in the Philippines, it's present globally. ICAT is a way of dyeing and tying the threads, and then you dye it with natural dyes. This is the kind of weaving that has been passed on traditionally. It's called ikat. Ikat is present in many countries in Southeast Asia, in Asia mostly, in Japan, in Korea, in Russia, in Latin America, even in the United States for some in some areas, and in the UK, in Australia also. So World ICAT, okay, it is coming to the Philippines. The symposium is coming to the Philippines. When it first started, it was organized by the World Crafts Council was first started in 2016 and held in the UK, in London. And so in 2017, countries like Malaysia, in Kuching, Malaysia, in India, in 2017, and in 2018, it was held in Thailand, and then in 2019, it was held in Indonesia. So it rested for at least 3 years because of the pandemic. And so we were invited as a country, invited to host the World ICAT Textile Symposium, and rightfully, here in Baguio, being a UNESCO crafts and folk arts city. And so we're very happy and excited to be hosting an international event called the World ICAT Textile Symposium. We are proud of this because Cordillera is also proud of our ICAT tradition, especially in Ifugao, Mountain Province, and some parts of Nueva Vizcaya, the Isanay. In Mindanao, naku, ang dami dyan. Tiboli, the Tiboli, like maybe you can stand up, Mr. Art. This is an art form traditionally done by the Tibolis in Cotabato, in Lake Cebu in Cotabato. It is also being done in parts of Davao del Sur, the Bagobos, the Maranaos in Zamboanga, the so many places in Mindanao do ikat weaving. In fact, we are honoring a lot of ikat weavers. We call them master weavers, and they're all gamabas. These are all our living tradition weavers that are coming also to the city of Baguio, and we're honoring them. The World ICAT Textile Symposium will bring together countries coming from even Russia, Uzbekistan, Kazakhstan, countries like Uruguay and India, and many other countries are coming. There are about 30 speakers coming for the symposium and a lot of designers. Because the World ICAT Symposium have many components. We have the symposium, we have exhibition, World ICAT Textile, we have workshops, and there's a fashion show. So, and there's a bazaar. So there's so many things to look forward to. A lot of these countries are bringing a lot of their ICAT materials for a bazaar. So it will start December 3 up to December 6. So our festivities for Ibaguio really runs towards this World ICAT, which caps the festival. So that's the concluding festivities of Ibaguio. So watch out for all of these events. So we're very excited to present all of this. Thank you.